Hello, welcome to the Audio Mova Learning channel. In this video, we have listening in easy English about different topic each day. Let's talk about the psychology of decision-making in everyday life. Have you ever wondered why people make the choices they do? Have you ever found yourself struggling to decide between two options, big or small? Understanding the psychology behind decision-making can provide valuable insights into our behaviors and help us navigate through life more effectively. Decision-making is a fundamental aspect of human existence. From the moment we wake up, we are faced with numerous choices. Whether it's deciding what to wear, what to eat for breakfast, or which route to take to work, we are constantly making decisions. These decisions can range from the mundane to the life-changing, and our ability to make sound choices plays a crucial role in shaping our lives. So, what influences our decision-making process? One key factor is cognitive biases. These are mental shortcuts that our brains use to make decisions quickly, often leading to irrational outcomes. For example, confirmation bias is the tendency to search for, interpret, and remember information that confirms our preconceptions while ignoring contradictory evidence. This can lead us to make decisions based on flawed reasoning rather than objective facts. Another factor that influences decision-making is emotions. Emotions can cloud our judgment and lead us to make impulsive choices. For instance, when we're feeling stressed, we may be more likely to choose instant gratification over long-term benefits. Understanding how emotions affect our decisions can help us make more rational choices. Additionally, social influence plays a significant role in decision-making. We are social beings, and the opinions of others can sway our choices. This is evident in phenomena like groupthink, where individuals prioritize group harmony over critical thinking, leading to poor decision-making. Being aware of these external influences can empower us to make more autonomous decisions. In everyday life, decision-making can be a complex process. From simple choices like what to have for lunch to major life decisions like changing careers, each decision we make can have a ripple effect on our lives. By understanding the psychological aspects of decision-making, we can become more mindful of our choices and make decisions that align with our goals and values. Remember, every decision we make shapes our future. So next time you're faced with a choice, take a moment to pause, reflect, and consider the factors at play. Your decisions determine your destiny.